Hello everyone, take a section of the top of the hair and then twist it and pin it up. Take a section from the bottom, tie a low ponytail, divide it into two parts and then twist one over the other until you reach the base. Wrap it up into a bun, do the same with the top. Tie a low ponytail and then roll the hair in on itself as such, tighten it. Divide the hair into two sections, add a rubber band in the middle of each of these sections, roll these sections in on themselves and then use a multiple prong pin in order to fasten it as a bun. After tying a low ponytail, make two divisions out of it. Take one division and then make a braid out of it. Make a braid out of the other division as well, join them together and then roll it up into a bun. Take two sections from either side, join it at the back. Take the remaining portion of the hair, divide it into two parts, join it at the back. Roll the hair in on itself, wrap it up into a bun, add a decorative clip. Take a section off the top of the scalp and then begin to braid it. Now, taking sections from either side, pull it through the sections of the braid as such. Tighten it and then at the base, make another braid. Roll it up slightly. Tie a low ponytail and then loosen some strands of it using your fingers as such. Tie another rubber band at the bottom, twist the hair in on itself and then add a decorative ribbon. Take all of the hair and then twist it, wrap it up into a bun. Use a multiple prong pin to make it stay in place. Tie a ponytail and then take a bun stick, wrap your ponytail around this bun stick and then wrap it up into a circle. Adjust it. Thank you for watching.